Buong bayan nakikidream at believe na, pero ang challenges pa sa survive kaya ng hopefuls.
Ayan ang tanong, todo na nga ang pagpapakitang gilas ng Backchicks ng top trending reality talent search sa bansa. Siyempre ngayong umaga makasama natin ng starstruck male hopefuls. Good morning, guys!
Morning po! Good morning!
O, diba? Lakas ang
Energetic.
energy nila. Pero let me ask this question to Kevin ang katabi ko. No? Base sa nagdaang challenge, naniniwala ka ba na team nyo ang mananalo?
Naniniwala po ako na ang team namin nanalo kasi alam ko pong may tiwala kami sa isa't isa and we have the courage, the passion, and the perseverance in pursuing our dreams. And we will just do our best and God will do the rest.
Wow!
Mahirap yung...
I like this guy. Very
yung
confident.
last statement
Confident
na
si
yun.
Kevin.
Ay, si Chat naman, ano bang edge ng team ninyo sa iba?
Ako, sa tingin ko naman po, same thing lang po din kay Kevin, yung passion, teamwork. Kasi in every competition naman, there will be always there yung competition, I mean, yung teamwork, yung passion. Pero the thing that we have right now that they don't have is we don't just work as a team, but we work as a family. Kasi po,
Pamilya na to.
kasi po,
okay, sige.
kasi-
So anyway, bago pa mag-compete dito talaga, imbitahan nyo ang ating
Yes.
mga manonood sa Starstruck.
Mga kapuso, manood po tayo ng Starstruck Live mamaya 5:50 PM bago mag-24 oras. Masaya po to, promise.
There you
Abangan
go.
namin yan para bigyan tayo ng patikim kung gaano sila kagaling. Here's the newest dance craze with our starstruck male hopefuls.
Thank you po.
Thank you, guys.
Wanna be my baby? Don't be my baby. Wanna be my baby? Don't be my baby. Wanna be my baby?
Let's go.
Don't be my baby.
Oh shit.
Wanna be my baby? Don't be my baby. Yeah, baby.
Long tees, zippers on the side, joggers, Air Max don't gusto mo. Lakad na ba ika-ika? Di mo to mapagkakaila. Forma nakakaiba. Awam na damang-dama. Lahat kinikilatis, dapat ay malinis. Swabe lang, di kailangan
Don't be
mabilis.
my baby.
Pangarap pwede nang maabot.
Don't be my baby.
Na huwag ka nang matakot.
Don't be my baby.
Paikot-ikot. Mahirap pigilan yan, huwag nang paikot.
Wanna be my baby? Don't be my baby. Wanna be my baby? Don't be my baby. Wanna be my baby? Don't be my baby. Wanna be my baby? Don't be my baby.
Yo, drop down, wig on the floor. Pahiga pa kung gusto
Don't
mo.
be pa, bebe.
Bawal maarte, yan ang diskarte. Sayawan na sa kalye. Kaliwa, kanan,
pa, bebe.
halina't
Pa, bebe.
simulan. Pa bebe, be my baby. Keep the party going
Don't be
crazy.
my baby. Don't be my baby. Okay, wanna be my baby? Don't be my baby. Wanna be my baby? Don't be my baby. Wanna be my baby? Don't be my baby.
Yo.
My baby.
Tawag namin dyan ay Sara. Saradong kanyang aura. Nagpapanggap parang bulag na di ka nakikita. Sa isang kwarto, sa isang lugar. Sayang ganda mo kung alam mo lang. Buti pa si Yaya Dab. Buong Pinas nang
Wanna be
naiilaw.
my baby?